What's good, guys? Today we're restoring a pair of Air Max 96s. They had crazy mud damage or whatever, so I'm gonna show y'all how I clean those up using the wonderful products from Rejuvenator. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Enter the paranormal.
So with this being a muddied up pair of Air Maxes, the first thing I wanted to do is take them outside, get my water hose, and spray down as much of this dirt as I could. After spraying them down, of course, I brought them back inside, to let them dry and everything. And we had to get rid of these laces. So we placed the laces in the cleaning solution, and now we're going to start working on the shoe. Starting out with our soft bristle brush coming from our great partners over at Rejuvenator. If you need any Rejuvenator products, be sure to check the link down in my description. And of course, if you're doing this by hand, you want to kind of let the brush do the most of the work. So as you can see, I'm mostly doing a lot of the circular motions. And now as I move further down on the shoe, I'll start kind of just going back and forth, but still, even though it looks like I'm doing a lot, I'm really not. Like I said, I'm just letting the brush do what it do. Hey, just remind you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all helped me get past the 1,000 subscriber mark. Now we just have to reach 4,000 watch hours, and then we'll get some money rolling in. Again, thank y'all so much. I have a ton of things planned, coming down the pipeline. So thank you. And let's get back into it. All right, so after doing that, first cleaning, wipe the shoe down. And now we're going to use our medium bristle brush to go over the shoe again. Yep, so as you can see, we're making sure we get every single inch of this shoe to make sure that we get a good cleaning. We're doing the entire canvas as well as we're hitting the tongue. And now we're going to move down to the sole using this hard bristle brush. All right, so after using the hard bristle brush, we just kind of, check to see if there was anything left after that first cleaning. And we're coming in with a chainsaw pick to get those harder to reach dirt pockets. All right, so we're going to come back in with the stiff bristle brush and give you guys the motivational quote. You're never too old to start over. Every day is a chance to make changes to create the life we want. It's been your boy, PAiRANORMAL. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.